In this video, we will discuss proper maintenance and rebuild of the feed auger slip clutch used on AirFLEX, SDX, RDX, and grain belt models. The slip clutch is located under the left-hand shield and is designed to protect the feed auger drive. Before servicing the clutch, you will need to identify which clutch your header is equipped with. 2016 and older AirFLEX models use the clutch currently shown. This can be identified by the fins on the housing and the quick attach coupler. In order to set the torque on this style of clutch, the bolts need to be torqued to 30 foot-pounds in a crossing pattern. On early production 2017 AirFLEX, you may have a clutch similar to the one on the left side of the screen. Mid-production 2017, we started using the same clutch but with a double spring. This style is currently used on AirFLEX, SDX, RDX, and 2020 and newer grain belt models. These can be identified by the number of springs. To disassemble the clutch, remove the bolts around the circumference of the housing. The clutch shown is our current clutch with 2 springs. Remove the springs, backing plates, friction disc, and hub. Assemble the clutch using new friction disc and tighten the bolts by hand. Before setting the torque, it is recommended to burnish the clutch. Do this by installing the clutch on the header and engaging the header drive for 2 to 3 seconds. Burnishing the clutch is recommended each time new friction discs are installed and before each harvest season. Failure to do so can cause the clutch to not slip properly and damage other components. After burnishing the clutch, you can then set the final torque. Turn the nuts 2 flats at a time in a crossing pattern until the proper distance is met from the backing plate to the spring. Be aware that there are different specs for the double spring and single spring clutches. There's a quick overview of how to service the slip clutch on your Honeybee header. If you have any further questions, please refer to your operator's manual or contact your local Honeybee dealer.